Welcome to RBL. Today guys, we're going to be taking a look at the Clear to Go survival kit. This is mostly going to be used for storing the vehicle, break down the backcountry, and need some stuff to get through the night, couple nights. That's what you should have. Put under the seat, forget about it. And yeah, before we get into that, we have a giveaway going on for a 3D printed fishing kit. If you want to be entered into that giveaway, just go ahead and comment, like, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to, go ahead and comment the color variation you'd like for the kit. Whatever colors, 3 colors, 1 solid color, 2 different colors, whatever you like, go ahead and comment that. And good luck to everyone that's entered. We'll be announcing the giveaway winner on the 29th, so this up and coming Monday. Good luck to everybody. Thank you guys for entering. Here, let's have a basic to-go kit. You can see it has the 4 large vents on the top. This can easily be sealed up. Same with this lip. This can easily be sealed. Very basic ProView PV250. But it is a large to-go bin, so it is great to put a kit into. Go ahead and pop this open. I'm sorry if you guys hear beeping in the background. I have a lot of construction going on in my neighborhood and there's no real way around it. Here we have the rain poncho. There's a basic blue rain poncho. Yeah, it is very thin. It's not going to last you that many rainstorms, but it is something. Just swing this around. For nutrition, we have some wheat crackers, or wheat bread crackers from our Russian MRE. We have some dried fruits and dried nuts. Keep me warm. We have 2 Mylar rescue blankets, they're emergency blankets. Great for just putting your heat back on you. Here, we have a bandana. This can be used for many things. Hygiene, arm sling, water filtration, signaling, trail marking, sleeping, blowing your nose, first aid. It has a plethora of survival reasons and uses. Here, we have 3 packs of 10-hour hand warmers for 3 pairs. Next, we have a basic first aid kit. Right off the rip, we have our larger band-aids, 4 of those. We have 2 butterfly bandages. We have some sunscreen, sting relief pad, aspirin, 2 packs of triple antibiotics. We have some Metalite, some ibuprofen, some extra strength non-aspirin, and also some lip guard, some lip balm. And that's that. Let's go ahead and try to slide that in there real quick. Here we have a magnification lens, a little card. For navigation, we have my basic military compass. I think I got this thing at Dunham's, Dick's, $10. Here we have one of my older Mora knives, or I think it's Mora Light My Fire. Very good blade. You can tell I heated it up a little bit. Had this for quite a few years. Have the homemade sheath here with electrical tape and some cardboard. And we also have a ferrocerium rod in the handle here, which is really cool. Oop. Why is this being so tricky? There we go. We also have a little hand guard or leash. We have a mini Bic lighter, just for easy starting the fires. We have 3 water activated towelettes. These are great for water filtration, hygiene, first aid, and even marking trails. For water filtration, I just went ahead and put in my Frontiers water filtration straw with a cut down straw just to save some room. We also have a basic basic sewing kit. We have 5 different lines, thread, a couple different variations of colors, needle, next we have our flashlight that does zoom in. It also has a glow-in-the-dark button. Went ahead and thrown in some vitamin C packets. We got 2 of those. Great to give you a little boost. For signaling, I went ahead and thrown in a little signal whistle. Very basic design. And for water containments, you have this larger bag, which is more or less for foraging, more or less for tinders and stuff like that. And we have 2 water containment bags that are just tied up with some trash bag ties. We have about 25 feet of 550 paracord. We have 2 blocks of fire starter. It's more or less like the fuel blocks for your folding stoves, so you can get 2 fires out of those. We have some snare wire for some basic repairs of gear or even shelter building. Here we have some UCO stormproof matches, great for fire starting in moist environments. Also went ahead and thrown in my homemade fishing kit. So it's just a little spice bottle, throwing all my hooks and sinkers in there. You can pretty much fill this thing with all the lures and whatnot that you want to. I got my line around here with some borders built up with some tape. I have a good amount of line so I can be fishing out there for a while. We also have a basic folding saw. This can be either used for clearing a path, fires, or even shelter making. It's a great thing. And you also have the bin it came with. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers on the channel. I want to thank every one of you guys for watching and supporting me. I've been doing this for almost a year and a half now. And I have to say, I love doing it. I love corresponding with you guys and coming up with new ideas and just thinking about what I want to do with the channel. So again, thank you guys for making this all possible. And I'm gonna keep doing it. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think of the kit in the comments, and have a nice day.